Morning students. Today I will teach sound of words with vowel A, E, I, O and U. Here are some new words from these vowels. Children, come study with me. Sound of word with A. B-A-D bad, M-A-D mad, T-A-P tap, M-A-P map. Bad, mad, tap, map. Sound of word with E. P-E-T pet, N-E-T net, H-E-N hen, D-E-N den. Pet, net, het, den. Sound of word with I. P-I-G pig, B-I-G big, M-I-L-K milk, F-I-S-H fish. Pig, big, milk, fish. Sound of word with O. D-O-T dot, H-O-T hot, M-O-M mom, L-O-C-K lock. Dot, hot, mom, lock. Sound of word with U. C-U-P cup, B-U-S bus, D-R-U-M drum, D-U-C-K duck. Cup, bus, drum, duck. Children, learn it properly. बच्चों, आपके लिए होमवर्क असाइनमेंट सेट किया गया है जिसे आप सेकंड लिंक पर जाकर के प्राप्त करोगे। थैंक यू।